Hello everyone. Now this is the latest support list of the DFL SSD firmware repair software. Okay, so we can see this is the version 1.3. Now here is the list of the controllers. Okay, this is the SSD brand and the controllers and the families. We can see the first SSD brand is Silicon Motion, and we can see SM2246XT, and this is the family 2256 key 58GH XT 59XT 59XT2. Okay, the second, the facing, and there's some rebranded SSD brand. Okay, example, we just connect one 2258 XT. Okay, so here we have noded snoder. Really, we can load any noder to get this real ISP version, the firmware version. So we know this one already corrected, and we can go to the firmware and rebuild this translator directly. This one is very fast. After this one, we can go to the DFL DDP data recovery software to recover the lost data. So this is the latest DFL SSD firmware repair software, and it's very easy. And for most undetected or busy pension SSDs, users need to short connect the SSD board before the repair, the firmware repair. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Now we go to the DDP for data recovery. So this is a lost partition and files, so it's very easy.